Welcome to GPS and Track. Today, we'll show you how to install our waterproof GPS tracker on a motorcycle. First, remove the seat to access the battery. On this bike, only one bolt needed to be removed. You will only need 3 wires, red to constant 12-volt power, black to ground, and blue to ignition sense. If you don't have an ignition source, just leave the blue wire loose and call our tech support team so we can set it up for virtual ignition. For the wiring, we used a fuse, a ring terminal, and a butt connector to keep things clean and secure. The fuse is optional but will help protect the device from any power surges, and the connectors make sure your wires stay solidly in place. For power, we had to slightly raise the battery, undo the positive terminal bolt, and connect the red wire with the ring terminal. For ground, we loosened one of the battery bolts, attached the black wire with the ring terminal onto it, and tightened the bolt back down. Once connected, a blue and red LED light will start to flash on the device. They'll turn solid once they lock onto signal. Once everything's secure, wrap the connections with electrical tape to protect them and keep the installation lasting longer. Mount the device somewhere not surrounded by metal and secure it with zip ties or Velcro. It may take up to 15 minutes to power on. Replace the seat, take the bike outside, and go for a short ride to help it connect. And that's it. Your waterproof GPS tracker is installed and ready to go. If you have questions about this device or its installation, please call our tech support team at 800-578-1809, option 2 for support. Thank you for choosing GPS and Track.